people who do these treacherous acts should not be spared by the public. Because understand one thing, if a person can leave a party, today is the first time in our village that Kurtorin does not have an MLA. For over 8 terms now, or over 11 terms that elections have taken place in Goa. This is the first time that Kurtorin does not have an MLA. So, I feel and I will appeal to the people to reject anybody who is treacherous and who has left a party after being elected on a party to go to another party because of some personal gains.
Okay, कितने देश थे?
I am a practicing lawyer, and at that point of time, I had felt that I would be behind Reginald, given that Reginald was the Congress candidate. As only the Congress can give you a government which is going to be a government other than the BJP. We all know what BJP has done. We all know what BJP leaders like Tejaswi, Surya and all have said. And therefore, as a minority, the first thing that you think that when these people are talking about reconversions, etc., the first thing you want to do is salvage the communal harmony that Goa is very proud of. So this time for elections, I had promised Reginald that I would support him on the Congress. But sadly, Reginald is no longer with the Congress, and for whatever reasons he knows, he suddenly ditched the Congress. And this treacherous act of his has not gone well with all of us who ever felt that we should have been with him on the Congress. Regarding myself, well, I am a probable, and I would love, if the Congress feels I'm worthy to contest on the Congress banner, I would be more than happy to contest. Already shown my interest. I have told them that if they feel I'm worthy to take this mantle, I'm more than ready to contest this election. I am not a newcomer to elections, though I would like to say that ironically, in most of my things I like to plan. Elections has been a scenario where I have not got an opportunity to plan. Way back in 2014, I contested. I got 15 days to contest because the Congress then had denied the sitting MP and had given Reginald the ticket. I was the one who felt that Reginald, being a sitting MLA, should not be the candidate, and they could have given any other Congress candidate at that point of time. Now again, it is a scenario where you don't get the time to plan. You are stuck with, thankfully now it's about 1.5 months before elections. So yeah, I'll have to pull up my socks if the Congress feels I'm worthy. If God feels I should get the ticket, I'm more than. I'm asa. Convince korpak कोटी नासतले ना येत हांव म्हणना की कोटी ना म्हणून कोटी नासतले पूण इम्पॉसिबल न्हू. कितें आसता, जायते लोकांक खबर आहा रेजिनाल्ड कित्याक गेलो तो. रेजिनाल्डाक सोडूंकूच जाय आसलो जाल्यार रेजिनाल्डाक टिकेट दिवची पयलीं सोडूं जातालें. तेणें टिकेट घेतल्या, टिकेट घेवन TMC कडेन कितें घेवपा आहा तें कितें घेवपा आहा तेणें घेतलां, आनी ह्या टिकेट्या वावरीन तेणें कितें एडिशनल घेवपा आहा तेंय घेतलां. सो हें कितें जालें, टिकेट वॉज हीज टिकेट to get whatever additionals that he wanted to get. So the fringe benefits have come because of the Congress ticket that he had got.
Your father being an MP?
My father being a Congress MP is not an advantage to get the Congress ticket, but my father being an MP and 6-time MLA of Kurtorin, it is surely an advantage before you go to the polls. Because given that my father has been there for so long, given that being an MP of South Goa, Kurtorin is a part of South Goa, it will obviously benefit me. There are a lot of people who are my father's workers, who know me, who have been working along with us. They know me personally, and therefore it will always be to my benefit.
How do you see